Have you ever wondered why your money disappears before the month ends? Even if you're earning, it's not really about income. It's about this. Imagine pouring water into a bucket with holes. That's how your bank account right now. Tiny leaks like daily coffee, subscriptions, food, etc. They add up, but you don't notice them. Here's how to fix it. Just one simple rule. 50, 20, 30. 50% goes to needs like rent, food, and transport. 20%? That's for wants. Fun, Netflix, new clothes. And 30% is for saving or investing. It's like budgeting, but without getting stress. But maybe you're thinking, I don't even know how to save. Here's the steps. Set up 3 bank accounts. One for bills, one for fun, and one for savings. Every payday, your money splits automatically. That's it. And here's a bonus trick. Every time when you spend cash and get a $5 bill, save it. People have saved thousands using this rule. No budgeting apps. No spreadsheets. Being rich isn't about earning more. It's about managing what you already have. Start small. Stay consistent. Now, comment, "I'll start today" if you're in. And don't forget, your future self will thank you later.